Hello! Today we're going to talk about this violin, which is the Roth 71, part of their classic series. The workshop was established in 1902 in Bubenreuth in Germany, and it's been passed down through the generations, along with a great supply of wood, which is what sets their instruments apart. The 71 has a beautiful one-piece back with an insignia on the button. The top is a very even-grained spruce. Where the setup's concerned, we've put a 3-star Despiau bridge from France, and we've paired that with Perpetual from Pirastro, one of the newest strings on the market. Let's have a listen to how it sounds. So there we have it. Incredibly resonant. The biggest asset of the 71 Roth is how it fills the space in which you play. Very clear, very bright, but also complex. A great degree of warmth in that bottom end. So there we have it. That was the 71 model violin from Ernst Heinrich Roth.